Hello, Hema and Ravi. How are you?
We are fine, Uncle. How are you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Hema, what day was it yesterday?
It was Sunday.
Yes, it was a Sunday. I enjoyed myself playing chess with my friends.
What about you, Hema?
I went to my friend Radha's house, but
But what happened, Hema?
she was not there. You know, Radha and I are very close friends. I wanted to go to circus with her yesterday.
Oh, I see. That's what you're worried about. Leave it, dear. Don't worry.
Hema, what happened to Radha? Where did she go? Did you ask anybody in her house about her?
Yes, I did. I asked her mother. She said that Radha had gone to a movie with her brother.
Very interesting, very interesting. So when you went to Radha's house, she was not there, was she?
No, she wasn't.
Uncle, you are getting so much excited. What is so interesting here?
Oh, your question is also very interesting. Here you see, Hema has said two things.
Has she? What are they, Uncle?
Hema, you mentioned about two actions. One about yourself, the other about Radha, your friend. Please say them once again.
I went to Radha's house. This sentence is about myself. The other one is Radha had gone to see a movie.
Very good. Here, Hema is talking about two actions, isn't she? Ravi, when did these actions take place?
Of course, yesterday.
Yes, you are right. Both these actions took place yesterday.
Yes, both these actions took place yesterday, that is in the past.
Well said, Hema, well said. Both the actions took place in the past. Ravi, did these two actions take place at the same time?
No, Uncle, they didn't take place at the same time.
Hema, can you tell me when these two actions took place?
Yes, the two actions took place one after the other.
Ravi, can you say once again when these two actions took place?
Yes, I can. The two actions took place one after the other.
Very good. Here we have 2 points. Number 1, both the actions took place in the past. And number 2, the two actions took place one after the other. Now, Hema, please repeat your two sentences.
I went to Radha's house.
Stop. Let me say the second sentence, please. The second sentence is Radha had gone to see a movie.
Correct. Ravi, now tell me which of these two actions took place first?
Hema went to Radha's house.
Then what happened next?
Radha had gone to see a movie.
Hema, what do you say? Do you think Ravi's answer is correct?
No, uncle, he's wrong. Actually, the first action is Radha had gone to see a movie, and the next action is I went to Radha's house.
Okay, Ravi's answers are correct. Hema, can you explain these points in Telugu?
ఇక్కడ మనం గతంలో జరిగిన రెండు పనుల గురించి చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ రెండు పనులు ఒకే సమయంలో జరగలేదు. అంటే ఒక పని మొదలు కావడానికి ముందే మరొక పని కంప్లీట్ అయిందన్నమాట. ఈ విధంగా గతంలో ఒక పని మొదలు కావడానికి ముందే కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన పనులను కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్ అని అంటారు. ముందుగా జరిగిన పనులను ఎర్లియర్ యాక్షన్స్ అని, తర్వాత జరిగిన పనులను లేటర్ యాక్షన్స్ అని అంటారు.
అయితే అంకుల్, ఇక్కడ ఒక సెంటెన్స్లోనేమో వెంటని అంటున్నాము, మరో సెంటెన్స్లోనేమో హ్యాడ్ గాన్ అని ఎందుకు అనాలి?
A very good question. ఎందుకో నువ్వు చెప్పు హేమ.
చెబుతాను. రెండు పనులు కూడా పాస్ట్ అంటే గతంలోనే కదా కంప్లీట్ అయింది. అయితే ఈ రెండిటిల్లో ముందు జరిగిన పని లేదా ఎర్లియర్ యాక్షన్ని మనం పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్లో చెప్తాం.
ఓ ఎస్, పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ అంటే హ్యాడ్ అనే హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్తో పాటు మెయిన్ వర్బ్ యొక్క థర్డ్ ఫామ్ ఉపయోగించడమేనమ్మా.
Uncle, now it's very clear to us. Please give us some more examples for such actions.
Okay, Ravi, here you should know one more point, that is how to use the past perfect tense with when. Listen to this example. The train left at 8:30 a.m. I reached the station at 8:45 a.m. We can say these two sentences together like, when I reached the station, the train had already left.
Uncle, what is this already in the sentence?
మనం పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్ ఉపయోగించేటప్పుడు సందర్భాన్ని బట్టి ఆల్రెడీ, జస్ట్ లాంటి పదాలను ఉపయోగించవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రెండు పనుల మధ్య గ్యాప్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటే ఆల్రెడీ అని, గ్యాప్ తక్కువగా ఉంటే జస్ట్ అని చెప్పవచ్చు. Now look at this example. Ramana called Mohan last night at 9:20. Mohan went to bed at 9:15.
Here, the gap is only 5 minutes. I think we should use just here.
Yes, you are right. Ravi, why don't you combine these two sentences using when?
When Ramana called Mohan last night, Mohan had just gone to bed.
Now Ravi and Hema. Now I'll give you a sentence with two blanks. You should decide where to use the past perfect tense, okay?
Yes, Uncle.
Look at the sentence on the screen. Please try to fill in the blanks. Mr. Rao dash within brackets pass his driving test when he dash within brackets get the job.
The first blank takes had passed and the second blank takes got. Am I right, Uncle?
Yes, you are. That's the correct answer. Ravi, please say the complete sentence.
Yes, Mr. Rao had passed his driving test when he got the job.
Uncle, please give us one more sentence like this.
Yes, let us watch it on the screen. When Rahmat dash within brackets get to the theater, they dash within brackets sell out all the tickets.
Uncle, in this sentence, the first blank takes got and the second blank takes had sold.
Perfect. Hema, please say the complete sentence.
When Rahmat got to the theater, they had sold out all the tickets.
Well said. That was the right answer. Now, watch the sentences on the screen and note the past perfect tense in them. Gambhir had already completed his century when we reached the stadium. The post office had just closed when I got there. Number 3. Gandhiji had led many foot marches when Bahuguna joined him.
In the first sentence, the past perfect tense is had completed. It shows what Gambhir had done by the time we reached the stadium.
What about the second sentence?
In the second sentence, the completed past action is had closed.
Good. Have you got anything to say about the third sentence, Ravi?
Yes, here the earlier action is had led. We express this action in the past perfect tense.
Wonderful. Okay. I think it is time for us to leave this topic here.
If you don't mind, Uncle, would you please tell us the main points once again?
All right, listen to me. Watch the sentences on the screen. We use the past perfect tense to talk about the completed past actions. The verb form for this tense is had plus third form verb. We can use when to combine the later action with the earlier action. We use just and already for completed past actions. We place just and already between had and third form verb. For example, had just given, had already gone. Okay, Ravi and Hema, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Uncle. Bye-bye.